Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome, and hey y'all. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in again and staying loyal. So today, as you can see, I got some box braids, some knotless box braids. So I haven't taken a lot of pictures or anything yet because I want to spice my braids up. I always feel like this is just way too plain. So I got some hair jewelry. So I got these little gold clamps, and then I got some gold yarn. So those are what I'm going to be using today to spice up my braids. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna put on my braids is this yarn for braids. Every time I've had braids before, my braider has always put this on my braids, and I love it. It really makes the hairstyle look so much better. I got this from a beauty supply, not a regular beauty supply, y'all. I got this from Sam's Beauty Warehouse. It's so huge in there. But anyways, I got this for $1, so it was real cheap. That's how it looks when you take it out. I've never used it before, so go on the journey with me as I try to figure it out. I watched a couple videos, so we're gonna see how it works. So I got my yarn. I'm just gonna take this out. Now I'm going to measure it. Well, I'm gonna cut a piece off first because it's really long, and that is too much for me to be working with. So I'm gonna take a real long piece since my braids are kind of long, and then I'm gonna have to double it anyway. So take a long piece here. I'm gonna take it, boom, measure it up at the end here. Now, let me take this out. Now, to see where I'm going to put it, I like to toss my braids how I normally wear them. So I normally wear my braids to the side like this. So I would more than likely have it on one of these that's like in my face all the time. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do this one. Might as well, it's always in my face, so might as well make it look pretty. Now, I'm gonna do it like how the video I watched told me. Take this. Now, gonna take your yarn, put it behind your braid, then you're going to make a crisscross here, go back behind the braid, bring it up, crisscross here. Work with me, y'all, work with me. Okay, this is not gonna be perfect. Oh, they said make sure the braid is flat. Okay, because that one was like moving a little bit and twisting. So here, bring it back, bring it forward, here. Okay, it's not no X's or crisscrosses or nothing, but I'm doing something, y'all. Okay, another girl said you gotta hold the X, but honey, it's hard to hold that X. See, people always think, ooh, y'all see it? Look, that's when I held it, okay? People always think I'm like perfect at doing everything with my hair, y'all. I am not. Y'all see it once I've messed up and practiced a whole lot, so that's why I be like, no, my hair is not always perfect. I do not always do this stuff perfect, y'all. All I'm doing, now that I think I got it, you take the string, you put it behind the braid, you crisscross it, crisscross, see? Now that X, I hold it with my index finger while I crisscross the string in the back, then let it go. Boom, now you see the X. So again, behind the braid, make my X, hold it with my pointer finger, kind of take this one, hold it, now you take the other one, bring it on this side, let go. Got it. I think, let me not get too excited. I'm still go real slow, but yeah. yeah, I'm gonna speed it up for y'all so y'all don't have to go through it so slow with me. So just watch me do it. Okay, y'all, I think I did pretty decent. Let me show y'all up close. Yeah, it started to get a little weird at the end, but weird is flavor. So we just gonna go with that. So now that I'm at the end, I tied it once, I did a knot. Now I'm going to take both and wrap it a little bit. Let's see if that works. And just cut off the excess strand. And we're gonna pray it stays. That's what we're gonna do. Take the end kind of.
Turn it a little bit. Oh, oh, oh. See, it's coming apart. I told y'all, everything I do is not perfect, okay? It just came apart. So now I got to figure something else out.
I'm just gonna tie it again. Pull real hard, y'all, because I didn't. So I'm sure that's why it came loose. I'm gonna do it a fourth because I don't want this to come apart again. This is the end. Now I'm gonna clip off that excess string. Okay, now that my braid with my yarn is done, I'm going to find another one and then just do the same thing. So yeah, just watch and see where I put it, and then I'll be back when I put these in. Putting the yarn on my braids. I put it on 3 instead of 2. So I got the one that's always in my face. Then I got one on the side. And then I put one on the other side just to make it even. So now I'm going to put these in, little gold jewelry. And these ones are a little bit different. They have rhinestones on them. You know me, I love rhinestone, bedazzle, glitter, shiny, anything. So when I saw these, I was like, ooh, gotta get them. So now I'm gonna see exactly where I'm gonna put those. I don't know, but we gonna see. I got 8 of these little clamps to work with. I think that's a perfect amount because you don't want like 20 of these things in your head. That's just gonna be doing way too much. So I'm gonna find a place to put these. When I went to the beauty supply, I think they were like $1.99. The plain ones were $1, but since you know these got a little extra razzle dazzle, they were $1.99. So I like to add these in like random places, so like either really close up or like really lower down, like towards the ends of my braid, lower down, girl. So it's really just, you're eyeing it wherever you would like to see something a little more glitz and glammy, then that's where you put it. Ain't really no science to it. It's what you want and what you like. That's why I like to accessorize my hair, because it makes it more you. Okay, y'all, so these are how my braids look now that I've accessorized them. This is half up, half down. Let me take it out so y'all can see how it looks down. Super cute. Yep, definitely about to take lots of pictures now. Cute. So yes, I'm very satisfied with how I accessorized my hair. So, you know, if you want your braids to be a little bit more jazzy, a little more like boom, less boring. Well, I'm gonna say less boring because I think plain braids are super boring. But that's just me. If you like your braids with nothing on them, do you, baby girl. You still gonna be cute. This is how my braids look. And I'm super satisfied. And then it cost me like a total of $4 with tax maybe to make my braids just have some more glitz and glam. So yes, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any braids video suggestions that you have, then let me know, because you know I do the natural hair thing, but I haven't made any videos with my braids besides this one. So just let me know. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video, y'all, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.